In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join Midjourney Discord. By the end, you'll be connected to the official Midjourney server so you can explore the community and get ready to create. Midjourney runs through Discord, so this process simply takes you from the Midjourney website to their server. If you already use Discord, you're set. If not, don't worry. This is just about getting you into the server from the site. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the Midjourney website. You can type the address directly into your address bar. Give the page a moment to load. You should land on Midjourney's Explore section, which showcases examples and recent work. This is the correct place to begin. If you're on desktop, make sure your window is wide enough so all of the interface elements appear properly. On mobile, the layout may shift a bit, but everything you need is still there. Now look toward the bottom left corner of the page. You'll see a small icon with 3 dots. This is a compact menu that holds a few utility options. Move your cursor over to that bottom left area and click it. If you don't immediately see the 3 dots, try scrolling to the very bottom of the sidebar or briefly zoom out in your browser so the full interface is visible. That 3-dot button is the quickest route to the Discord connection. Once you've clicked it, a short menu will appear. In that menu, choose Go to Discord. This will open Discord in a new tab or window. You'll be taken to an invitation page for the Midjourney server. Click Accept Invite. If you're already logged into Discord in your browser or app, you'll join right away. If you're not logged in, Discord may prompt you to sign in or verify your account before completing the invite. Just follow the on-screen prompts. After you accept, you should see the Midjourney server appear in your Discord sidebar. The server icon will show up with your other servers and you'll be placed in a welcome or rules channel. Take a moment to read any guidelines so you know where to post and how to get started. That's it. Going to the Midjourney site, opening the 3-dot menu and selecting Go to Discord, then accepting the invite. If anything doesn't load, refresh the page and try again. Once you're in, you're ready to explore channels, view examples, and prepare to create your first prompts. Thanks for watching and enjoy your time in the Midjourney community.